What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another property tour episode. Glad to have you guys here, but quick question for you. What does a 1-bedroom, 2 full bath in Edgewater in Aria on the Bay more specifically actually sell for? Well, luckily you don't have to wonder too long because it's listed on the market for sale for $610,000, and that is exactly today's property tour video. But before we get started with the video, you guys know the drill. Make sure you like this video if you like the content on this channel, and that way it helps promote this video. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already to become part of the Miami Property Tour community, and that way you don't miss any of my weekly uploads. So make sure you click on that notification bell. But before we get started on today's property tour, we have to rewind and see how I got here. So let's go ahead and do that. Ready, set, go.
Welcome to Edgewater. Situated just a short 10-minute drive from downtown Miami and only a 5-minute drive to Wynwood and Midtown, Edgewater's popularity has skyrocketed in the recent years due to its central location to all of Miami's hottest neighborhoods. Aria is one of the newest additions to the area, having been completed in 2018, and it is located directly from Margaret Pace Park, which contains a variety of activities including tennis, volleyball, and basketball courts, as well as a dog park. Many of the properties in Aria have partial or completely unobstructed views of the bay. Aria on the Bay prides itself on its elegant design and attention to detail, which is on full display from the moment you walk in through the main door and are greeted by that grand staircase which takes you from the ground level to the formal lobby area. The water, wood, and earthy tone elements along with the ambient lighting makes this one of the most beautiful lobbies in the area to look at. The property we're touring today is actually equipped with its own private elevator access, which only happens to select units in this building, so it's pretty exclusive, but let's go up and take a look. Once you enter the property from your very own private elevator entrance, I may add, you enter into the den. This area is conveniently located behind the kitchen and is separated from the main bedroom. Although this den is not large enough to retrofit for an additional bedroom, it does make for a great office or even a reading room. The guest bath can also be found in this area, and this entire design has a very clean and almost minimalist design. Storage is a big issue in most condos today, but this property has an additional closet in the den, perfect for any additional storage room that you may need. As we exit the den, we head into the main area of the property, which houses the kitchen, dining, and living room area all in one. The kitchen draws you in with its finishes using quartz countertops, extra large sink, and Bosch appliances, which all add to the clean aesthetic this property is going for. Not to mention that this property is fitted with smart home technology features such as a touchless sink faucet and a digital thermostat. The open layout concept is a must in new construction nowadays, and this area perfectly blends in the living and dining room areas together. At 888 square feet of interior living space, this property is spacious for a 1-bedroom within the area. However, what is not included in those 888 square feet is the additional square footage you get on your balcony. This wide balcony is not just a great space for entertaining, but also has stunning partial views of the bay overlooking the Venetian Islands and Miami Beach. Lastly, we will enter into the bedroom, which also has access to the balcony and water views from within the room. What is surprising about this room are the closets and just how much closet space you actually get for this 1-bedroom. So on one side, you're gonna have the master walk-in closet, and on the other, you have a much smaller closet, but both of which are built out, which just only adds to the storage. The master bath is not only elegant, but spacious as well. With a dual sink vanity, bathtub, and glass enclosed shower, this master bath truly has everything one can ask for. Aria on the Bay amenities are one of the best that you're going to find in this area and pretty much any area. It features a AM and PM pool, a children's pool, a hot tub, a spa, a library, a business center, a grilling area, and much more. Unfortunately, however, when we make our way down to the amenity deck, I will only be able to show you the fitness center and the social room due to restrictions, but trust me when I tell you guys that the rest of the amenities are state of the art. Edgewater is a great place to live, and I think that this video showcases a little bit about why that is, but there's definitely other neighborhoods that are adjacent to Edgewater that people are interested in seeing, such as Brickell, downtown Miami Beach. So if you're interested in any of those property tours or any of those neighborhoods, then do me a favor and click on any of the videos that appear here on screen so you continue learning more about that neighborhood and that Miami real estate just in general. And as always, guys, thank you so much for making it this far. Don't forget to like this video if you found value from the content. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and click that notification bell so you can be alerted every single week when I drop a new video. And again, thank you for making it this far. Appreciate your love and your support. Leave a comment if you can, and I'll see you all next week. God bless.